guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okwe, and if you're just joining us for the first time, welcome. Today's video is in collaboration with Ryam blushes and Imani Beauté. I'm going to be showing you what they sent me. Yeah, I'm just going to try and create an amazing look on myself with what they sent me, and I hope you guys enjoy and learn something. Ryam blushes sent me these serums. It's a Unicorn Elixir serum and primer. So they come in these cute bottles. I've been touching and admiring the bottles. You can already see my fingerprints all over it. Let me read out what these things claim to be, and then we'll just proceed. It's a multitasking oil-free elixir serum, and it can be used as a hydrator, a primer, and a serum. It says when used as a primer, you can apply 2 to 3 drops and pat in before applying your makeup. So you can use it as a primer. One thing I need to mention is that aqua is the first content, meaning it's water based. So if you have oily skin, it even says it's oil free, so you can use it if you have oily skin. You are to apply 2 to 3 drops and pat in before makeup, and it can also be used as eye primer and lip primer. Then when you use it as a skincare, you apply to a clean face to treat acne or clear dark spots, and you can use it to brighten your skin. Just one product can do all these things. Best believe you're gonna be seeing me all this hyperpigmentation. Gas go. There are 2 shades, so there's the gold and there's the rose gold. The rose gold comes in this silver bottle, and then the gold comes in this one. So which one should I use today? I'll mix it. One side of my face rose gold, one side. So it comes with this. You guys already know how these things come. And then the rose gold is so cute. It comes in like a pink liquid. Whoosh, good. Somebody said, I'm going to put it on my eye too. It's obviously water based. It feels very hydrating. It's not sticky, and I didn't moisturize my skin, so this is my hydrator and my primer. It literally melts into your skin. I'm trying to see if it has shimmer. No, it doesn't. Ooh, yes, let's do this. It feels really good. My skin feels nice and tight. It feels tight. Imagine using this every day. I'm actually going to. So if you have acne, this is good for you. Or acne spots, if you can clear dark spot and it brightens your skin. You guys, when my skin starts popping and you people are asking me jam question, just know that this is what I'm using. This is second brand. This is Imani Beauté. I've already dipped into this, but let me show you. This is what it looks like. It comes with the neutral side here, and then shimmers. This is some shimmer here. Obviously you have to have the black eyeshadow, very important. And then these pressed glitters here. I feel like I want to create a smoky eye. What do you guys think? You can already see I've touched it. I used it for a client on Saturday and I loved it. I want the smoky eye to have like orange transitions. That's why I use this background. So I'm going to be going in with these oranges here. Sorry. These oranges here. I'm not high, guys. I don't even drink. It's my natural high. I've decided to do my skin first. I can be confused sometimes. Tonight we celebrate God. This thing just makes my foundation look so nice. I've been sleeping on top bicycle since all these days. You know, since when I've read about this product, I'm just glad I'm finally trying it myself. Imagine having a primer that can cure acne. What? It's a goal. So I want to move on to my eyes. I'm going to be starting with the orange colors here as my transition colors. I intend on doing a smoky eye. Come on, Jesus. I don't know if you can see it closely, but then when I touch it, there's a bit of fallout. It's not unbearable, it's not bad, like, let me not talk, but it's there. It's just something I think you guys should know. But it's really pigmented though, because I'm doing a smoky eye. I'm trying to make my transition pretty obvious and deep. So I'm done with the 2 light ones now. I want to go in with this line. I mixed these 3, so now I want to go in with these 3, the second 3. Guys, using a monitor is pretty confusing. Yeah, do you see that? This is without a bright primer under it to see how pigmented it is. So imagine using this with a white eyeshadow primer. It's going to be insane. Like, the color payoff is mad. Look at, yo, I'm not even swiping anymore. Now I'm just patting it in. This is insane. So I'm going to go in with a clean brush, well, not clean, but clean off this orange eyeshadow and just diffuse the edges. pigmentation of this orange has me shook. You know me, you know that orange eyeshadow is my go-to. Left to me, I'll have just applied this orange all over my lid and lined my eyes and call it a good day. But because of you guys, I'm going to try and do something else before you people just have my head. Sisi is always creating orange looks all the time. Okay, let's step out. So we're just going to prep my lid with a black liner by Blot. You guys already know my go-tos by now. So this is how you achieve your smoky eye, guys. If you want it to be really dark, you just go in with a black stuff, apply it on your lid only, and diffuse the edges into your transition color. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just trying to blend the ending of the liner into my transition. When I'm pressed for time and I'm doing my clients smoky eye and they allow me do anything, smoky eye is what I go for because it's quick and it's fast. Chap, I don't finish. I'm just going to go into the black eyeshadow and in this same palette. I haven't branched out into any palette. I'm just tap. Ooh, do you see how pigmented that black is? You have to be careful, there are fallouts. You see? So if you're not someone that enjoys doing skin first, you won't have a problem with this eyeshadow because you can as well wipe and move on to skin. But because I did skin first, I have to be extremely careful because there are a little bit of fallouts. I'm just tapping the black eyeshadow, not swiping. I left the powder under my eyes so that it can help me catch the fallouts. So now I'm just going to blend into my... You see why I let my transition be like overboard? Can you see what this has become here? So if you go in with a little like minimal colors on your transition, your smoky eye is going to overpower it. That's why you have to let your transition go in like ham. You can even like now I'm going back in, let me show you guys, into the oranges like these ones here to blend out the edge of my black, just so that my transition doesn't disappear totally. The key to the perfect transition, like I tell my students, is back and forth. How well can you go back and forth? So now I'm going back in black eyeshadow again. You have to have patience for this thing. Even though if I was to do this on my client, it literally takes me maybe like 10 minutes or less because I already know the easy way out. I'm just wiping, cleaning my brush so that I won't spread the black everywhere. And then you have to be careful. Smoky eye, you can easily go from smoky eye to being a panda. Panda. You don't want to have that. I'm cleaning my brush and I'm just diffusing. I'm going to go back with my orange, the brush I use for the orange, just to intensify. Don't forget, always apply the gel to your lid only, preferably like a line. So the lesser you apply, the lesser your smoky eye has the tendencies to become panda eyes. If you apply this gel liner higher than usual, blending it will also go higher, and at the end of the day you have panda eyes. So you have to be really careful not to take it too high. Now you have to work quickly because gel liners dry quickly. You have to do each eye one at a time because this gel liner dries, and once it dries it is immovable. You don't want to have smoky eye where your black is standing on its own and it doesn't blend with the top.
Only you can do what no man can do.
You actually don't have to line your eyes if you do smoky eye because the liner is not going to show anyway. For my lashes, I'll be using Ryam John lashes. They're so pretty. I don't know if you guys can. I'm just going to dust off the powder under my eye, and you have to dust it off gently because it has the fallouts. I'm going to use a loose brush before I use a sturdy brush because the sturdy brush has a tendency of rubbing it in, but this is going to just sweep it off. So
Only you can say what no
the mighty things that lashes can do to your life.
Only you can change any situation at all.
Do you guys think I should put glitter on this thing? Or I should just leave it like this? I'm so scared. I want to try the black pressed glitter, but I'm scared that if I put it, I'll spoil it. Okay. No. It looks good. Right. So all I'm doing is just touching it with my hand, no brush, no glitter glue, nothing. And I'm just pressing it in. Ooh. Even made it look a bit darker. Do you guys think I should mix it, like add something else? This is how I would do and spoil this thing now. You will not be here and tell me what to do. Okay, don't spoil it. 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 My badge. Okay, it's still okay. It looks like black spotlight. It's okay, Abby. If I spoil it, I'm not gonna stand up from this chair. Come. This pressed glitter is the best thing that has happened. No need for mixing glitter that like we always do. So now I'm going with this one. Pinky peach, whatever the color is. Guys, look how this thing looks. Looks so good. This is the easiest way to have glitter without it being messy. None of it has dropped on my skin. Looks pretty good. Wow. Should I line with black or with green? Let me just line with this black. Okay, you're already a little bit too adventurous. I'm going to smudge it with this orange and green. This green here and orange, just a bit. My nose is dripping. Am I the only one that gets runny nose during makeup? Like only during makeup, bro. Yeah.
Just like you walk the streets of Galilee,
Using truffle ring and sweet.
and like you heal the sick and you rest the dead.
You guys, I use my serums as a primer. Like in fact, let me first of all go and get my hair together in one piece. Then I can come back for my verdict. So, I'm a Sisi. Okay, so guys, I'm back and this is the final look. I'll start with the serums. I'm shocked that this can work as a primer, a moisturizer to treat acne, clear dark spots, and brighten your skin. I think that this can just be your morning routine. So after showering and drying your face and just put this and you wear your makeup, you're good to go either ways. And it says here that it's ideal for all skin types. It is oil free of sulfates and parabens, so it's quite healthy for your skin. I used the rose gold and the gold. You can buy any one of them. I think it just has to do with shade preference. So if you want something pink, you go with rose gold, and if you want gold, you go with the gold. So I really like this. Like I said, I'm going to put one of it in my professional kit and one in my private kit for myself, so I am going to enjoy this. That's that. I'm going to leave the link to their Instagram. I don't think they have a website yet, but I'm going to leave the link to their Instagram in the description box and their names on the screen so that you can purchase it. They deliver everywhere, so delivery is not a problem. She's based in Abuja, and I got this in like 2 days or less. And for this eyeshadow, you already know how I feel about the eyeshadow. Do you know the amount of eyeshadow variation you're going to create with this one palette? You can decide to go matte, you can decide to go, let me swatch. Actually, I've not swatched it for you. Let me swatch. So I'm going to be swatching some mattes and some shimmers. Can you see this? And this is just one swatch. It's like, let me see my fingers. It is super pigmented. This one swatch each. Let me come closer. Ignore my ashy hands, guys. I've been cleaning it with baby wipe. I've cleaned away my moisturizer. The colors are pretty intense. Like, it doesn't want to come off my finger. I'm not sure how much these things retail for. I'm going to ask and put it on the screen. So by the time this video is up, you would have the price on the screen. This has a yes from me. Like every other eyeshadow palette, it has a little bit of fallout, but it's not unbearable. That it's not like when you touch it and it hits pan or it's coming out and is insane. It's not, to be honest. If it is, I would have told you guys, or you'll have seen it every time I've been raising it up. That's me turning my hand in it. You see, no fallouts, nothing. It's not, can you guys see? For me to use any glitter, I have to take my glitter glue, mix it, and then apply. But for the pressed glitters, you saw me use it on my eyes, and it's not transferring to my upper eye, because me, I have hooded lids, so I would expect it to transfer every time I open my eye. But nope, no transfer, stays where I kept it. So I think that says a lot about the palette. I don't need to continue to ramble on. This Imani Beauty has a yes from me, and it's portable, so it will fit into any kit. So yeah, 10 mattes and 10 shimmers, which is fair, and the color range is insane. So you won't stick to neutrals alone, you won't stick to colorful alone. You're right in the center. So yeah, that's that. Before I continue to ramble on, guys, please, I am begging you, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this palette. If you've tried it before, let me know what you think. I think that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for hanging with me again. Your girl is loyal. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.